I like knitting and crocheting with this yarn, so I wanted to try it in my knitting machine. This is Cotton Bliss by KnitPal, and I wanted to thank you them for sending it free to me to try. So it feels very, very soft and luxurious. It is a 4-weight yarn, and it's spongy and it's airy to work with, which makes it suitable for a lot of things to make. Baby items and shawls and scarves. Well, it glides like a butter through my machine. My Addy likes this yarn. No dropped stitches, and it does not make my machine weird sounds. And just look at this pretty color. Oh my gosh.